Welcome to the best picks. The best shuffleboard bowling is probably one of the most exciting and unique game sets to hit the market, seamlessly blending the strategic finesse of shuffleboard with the exhilarating thrill of bowling. This captivating combination offers endless hours of entertainment for players of all skill levels, promising a fun-filled experience for both casual game nights and competitive tournaments, making it a perfect addition to your game room or backyard. Number 5. Shuffleboard Bowling Pin Set. This shuffleboard bowling set is the perfect addition to your game room. It adds a whole new level of fun for family and friends. It comes with 10 premium hardwood bowling pins, built to last. Their high-quality construction ensures years of enjoyment. Setting up is a breeze with the included triangular pin setter. Just lift the rack and you're ready to play. It's the perfect game for adults and families alike. Gather your loved ones for hours of entertainment. This set includes 10 bowling pins, a resin bowling ball, a convenient pin setter, and a handy carrying bag. Everything you need is right here. Get ready for some friendly competition and create lasting memories with this exciting game. Order yours now. What we like. It boasts premium hardwood pins and a durable triangular pin setter, ensuring lasting quality. The included carrying bag adds convenience for storage and transport. If you value quality materials and portability, this is the perfect choice for your family game nights. What people say. Look and feel very solid. Storage case is great. The pins and rack are solid wood, looking like they will last for years. A really nice piece of construction. Great carrying case as well. It looks and feels expensive. Very fun to play and a very nice set that comes with a pin setter and a nice case to hold everything. Number 4. Crown Me Shuffleboard Bowling Pins. Get ready for a fun twist on classic bowling. This set brings the excitement of shuffleboard to your home game night. These aren't your average bowling pins. They're crafted from solid hardwood, ensuring durability and a premium feel for countless games. Each pin stands at 4.25 inches tall with a 1-inch diameter, providing the perfect size and weight for an enjoyable game. Setting up the pins is a breeze with the included 12 by 12 by 2-inch durable wooden setter. It's designed for easy use and long-lasting performance. The high-quality pin setter proudly displays our logo, adding a touch of style to your game. We've added foam protectors to the bottom of each pin to prevent damage and ensure they last for years to come. Gather your friends and family, and let the games begin. Enjoy hours of fun with this unique and exciting game set. What we like. This set stands out with its solid hardwood pins and a high-quality pin setter featuring a visible logo. The pins are designed for durability and the logo adds a touch of style. If you appreciate quality and want a set that looks as good as it plays, this is for you. What people say. The pins are a strong and solid quality. It is lightweight and the storage bag is heavy-duty. The bottom of the pins have a piece of felt on the bottom of each piece to allow for use without scratching the table. They held up great, despite the fact that they were getting hit pretty hard with metal pucks. This is a very nice, high-quality set, and I'd highly recommend it. Number 3. Tabletop Shuffleboard Bowling. It's the perfect addition to your game room. Enjoy hours of fun with family and friends. Made of premium solid hardwood, it's built to last. You'll enjoy this game for years to come. Its mini size makes it perfect for any table. Take it with you wherever you go. It's a great game for the whole family. Everyone can join in on the fun. Includes 10 bowling pins, a resin ball, a pin setter, and a carrying bag. Everything you need to get started. The included carrying bag makes it easy to transport and store. Enjoy the game anytime, anywhere. What we like. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for any space. It's suitable for all ages, making it a great option for family fun. If you're looking for a space-saving and versatile game, this is the one for you. What people say. It is pretty tricky. You almost have to put a little spin on the puck versus just shooting the puck at the pins to get a strike. It is more challenging than it appears to be. Sturdy, and well made. It renewed interest to the table. Number 2. Shuffleboard Bowling Pin Set. Get ready for some fun with this exciting new game. It's perfect for all ages and skill levels. These aren't your average bowling pins. They're crafted from high-quality wood, standing 3 to 16 inches tall and lightly varnished for a smooth finish. The included red wooden ball is 1¾ inches in diameter, sized for easy handling and accurate throws. It's a fantastic, affordable game that's easy to learn and play, providing hours of entertainment for everyone. Please note that the wood grain and shade may vary slightly, as is natural with wooden products. Each set is unique. This complete set includes 10 wooden pins and 1 red wooden ball, everything you need to start playing immediately. What we like. This set offers great value with its affordable price point and classic wooden pins. The unique redwood ball adds a fun twist to the game. If you are on a budget but still want a fun and engaging game, this is a great option. Number 1. Hathaway Shuffleboard Bowling Pin Set. It's a great way to add some excitement to your shuffleboard table. This set comes with everything you need for instant fun, including 10 pins and a handy setter. The unique triangular design makes setup a breeze. It's crafted from durable materials and features 10 guide holes for precise placement. These aren't your average pins, they're made from solid hardwood to withstand countless games. Each pin is perfectly sized for shuffleboard fun. It comes with a convenient storage bag, so you can keep it protected and ready to go. Take it to a friend's house or keep it in your game room. We're confident in its quality. It's backed by a 180-day warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. What we like. It features a durable MDF pin setter with a wood-grained melamine finish for a stylish look. The convenient storage bag makes it easy to keep your game organized. If you want a stylish and well-protected set, this is a great choice. What people say. Great quality wood pins with rubber bands. Comes with the zipper case as well. Fun for the entire family. It works with our shuffleboard well. Much better value than what we saw in retail store selling similar product. The case to store in is a great part of the package. The product arrived exactly as advertised and has been used several times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.